When should a new YouTuber upgrade their equipment? A new YouTuber should usually upgrade their equipment when their current gear is limiting their content, not simply because newer equipment exists. For most creators, it's better to focus on making videos consistently, improving storytelling and presentation, learning editing skills, creating better thumbnails and titles, understanding what viewers enjoy. Consider upgrading when 1. Your camera quality is holding you back. If your videos are consistently blurry, noisy, or low quality, and you've already learned how to use your current camera properly, an upgrade may help. 2. Audio is a problem. Many viewers will tolerate average video quality, but poor audio often causes people to click away. A microphone is often one of the best first upgrades. 3. Your current equipment can't do what you need. Examples: you want to film in low light. You need better zoom capabilities. You want smoother stabilization. You need multiple camera angles. 4. Your channel is showing growth. If you're gaining subscribers, getting regular views, and enjoying the process, investing some of your channel earnings back into equipment can make sense. 5. The upgrade will save time. Sometimes a faster computer, better editing software, or improved lighting can reduce editing time and improve productivity. For new YouTubers, a smartphone, basic microphone, and simple lighting setup are often enough to start. Many successful channels began with very basic equipment. Since you already create videos with Sony Handycams, phones, and a webcam, you may not need a major camera upgrade right now. You might get a bigger benefit from better lighting, improved audio, more efficient editing workflows, stronger thumbnails and titles. Those improvements often increase views more than buying a new camera. A good rule of thumb is upgrade when your skills have outgrown your equipment, not before.